Hi, I'm Velu Raghunath. My age is 40 and I'm staying in Mumbai. I had a miserable life with concern of teeth, all from my childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. I had tooth decay and slowly lost one by one all the tooths except for some. I used to not yawn in front of people just to hide my broken tooth and answer the people's queries who used to ask me how this tooth got decayed, how it broke, and all these things. I even smiled with my lips covered so that I can hide my half broken tooths, which used to bring me a lot of embarrassment. And slowly, I started gaining inferiority complex. With all this crap, I couldn't eat any hard food and enjoy any food which others used to do around me. Then on 26 December 2017, a remarkable day in my life, I met Dr. Mayur Khairnar. He was introduced to me by my cousin brother and he changed my life entirely regarding to the embarrassments whatever I went through. Dr. Mayur Khairnar gave me a U-turn and a remarkable milestone in my life. He got my implants done, 16 in all, upper 10, lower 6, and he tried to save my extremely good condition teeth which could be retained in my mouth for a longer period. He did all this implants in just a horrific 3 days. Mind you, 3 days. And it was an amazing experience. Day one, he removed all the worn out diamonds in my mouth and fixed the implants with lot of hard work. I couldn't believe myself a doctor can work so long in just one sitting. Day 2, measurement was taken. He gave me a guard to protect the implants, and day 3, the final relief from total embarrassment till date in my life. In couple of hours, he fixed my tooth till the final finish. I have never seen a dedicated doctor all my life who can take his work from the clinic to the lab and to the mouth of the patient. Dr. Mayur will always be in my good books with all blessings and great feelings for him in future. I wish him that he can change as many lives as he has done of mine. Good luck to Dr. Mayur.